This video is to show the faults in the Tronxy X1 printer which I bought from you, which has no Z-axis drive. As you can see, the motherboard is correctly installed. With the plugs inserted for the Z drive as shown. I have inspected the motherboard and can't see any shorts or anything on it. I will now switch the printer on. As you can see, the printer is booting up. Printer ready. I'll go into the menus, position, I'll home the axes one by one. Okay, home the X axis. There you could see it move. Now home the Y axis. You could see it home there as well. Now home the Z axis. And as you can see, there is no movement whatsoever. I'm now stuck in the menus and can't do anything until I press the Z home switch. And with the home switch down, very difficult to video, I'm not going to be able to hold these at the same time, but with the home switch down I can then operate the menu again. In other words, it's waiting for the motor to home. As soon as I press the home switch, it thinks it's home, and I can then continue on the menus again. If I can't do that, then I have to switch the printer off and on again to be able to restore the functions of the menu. So what I'll do now, I'll switch the printer off, I'll exchange the Z axis for the X axis. Sorry, the plugs get messed up. You can now see Z1 is where the X axis should be, sorry, the Y axis, and Y is where the Z axis plug should be. So I'll power it on again. And I will now show you the Z axis running whilst plugged into the Y axis output from the motherboard. So if I select again position and I go to the Y motor, selecting this should now drive the X axis. And there you go, Z-axis running properly while plugged into the Y-axis port. There is no output from the Z-axis on the motherboard. The motherboard appears to have no problems visually. Everything's correctly plugged in, as you can see and verify. And you have seen the motors, etc. running and the home switch operating on the printer. There simply is no drive for the Z motor. Therefore, the motherboard must be faulty. I hope this helps. Thank you.